La 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 Mukku Rhymes.
Here's a beautiful 4-minute nursery Holi song inspired by your rhyme.
Holy, holy, here we go. Colors flying, watch them glow. Laugh and clap and spin around. Happy colors all around.
Red and yellow in the air, blue and green go everywhere. Pink on cheeks and nose so bright. Holi makes the world so light. Pichkaris spray, swish, swish, splash. Run and giggle, dash, dash, dash. Tiny feet go tap, tap, tap. Clap your hands and clap, clap, clap.
Holly, holly, hooray, hooray. Let's play colors all the day. Jump up high and spin around. Rainbow magic all around. Happy Holi, shout it loud. We're the brightest, happiest crowd.
Sun is shining big and bright. Smiling faces, what a sight. Friends together, hand in hand. Color fun across the land. Splash of purple, splash of blue. I put some color just for you. You put some color just for me. We are happy as can be.
Holly, holly, hooray, hooray. Let's play colors all the day. Jump up high and spin around. Rainbow magic all around. Happy Holi, shout it loud. We're the brightest, happiest crowd.
Sweet gujiya, yum yum treat. Dancing feet go tap tap feet. Drum goes dolak, boom boom boom. Happy colors, zoom zoom zoom. Grandma smiles and blesses us. No more fighting, no more fuss. Sharing love and sharing cheer. Holi comes just once a year. Close your eyes and make a wish. Color dreams in every swish. Hearts are shining.
Please like, share and subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.